How was your first day at school?
It was fun. I made a new friend. Can we play catch in the backyard?
Sure, let's go outside. Did you enjoy the soccer practice?
Yes, it was great. I scored a goal. Can you help me with my math homework?
Of course. Let's see what you've got. What do you want for dinner tonight?
Can we have burgers?
As you want.
Can you read me a bedtime story?
Absolutely. Which one do you want to hear?
How was your weekend at Mom's?
It was good. We went to the zoo. Can we build a model airplane?
That sounds like fun. Let's do it this weekend.
Are you excited about the school trip tomorrow?
Yes, I can't wait to visit the museum. Can we go to the park?
Sure, let's go. Do you want to bring your bike?
Yes, I love riding my bike there.